Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover accidentally deleted timeline in Premiere Pro. There are two ways to accidentally delete your timeline in Premiere Pro. The first way is to hit Ctrl W, and if you do this a couple of times, this could completely wipe out your entire timeline. I'm not going to hit that. Another way to accidentally delete your timeline is to come over to your sequence over here. The name of this sequence is black, and select X over here. And once we do that, we'll notice that we have deleted our sequence from our timeline. To fix this, all we need to do is to come over to our project panel over here, and we want to look for our sequence. It's best that we set it at list display. If we have it as icon view, it may not be the fastest view, but what we want to do is to look for the name of the sequence. Now, where we see these icons with three lines, this happens to be the sequence, but the name of this sequence here is hyperdeck, so we're looking for the black sequence. So come over to this list view and scroll down. You may decide to double tap on your project panel over here, and you want to scroll down and look for the black sequence over here. So this is a sequence with these three lines over here, and I have other sequences here which are nested: sequence 1, sequence 2. We have the production ID over here. So you want to keep scrolling down until you find the sequence you are looking for. So here we have my black sequence here with this double line, and I'm going to double click over it over here. And the moment I double click on that sequence, you can see that my sequence has been restored to my timeline over here. And that's it guys on how to recover